Alright guys, we're going to do the brakes in this YZ250x now. Already got a little start. I removed this cap from here. Flat blade screwdriver. There's an Allen key in behind it. It's a 5mm.
Oh wow, they were well used. They got every penny worth of them.
Some extra rope in there. I think that was
Okay, that was slowing it down maybe.
extra friction.
That's what caused it to stop.
That's from when he threw the anchor out.
Could be, yeah. You can definitely tell they were metal on metal for a while. I was just about to say now, like, would that be stuck in where they were so worn down?
That's it, so I just pushed the caliper over. It was way over this way from being the pads were out.
So it's your quick recap, basically. Take that cap off, take
Plug
the screw
it
out,
in.
push the slider. What's that would be? A slider?
Yeah, it's a sliding inside.
Slide that out enough to get your old pads out.
Yeah, knock any shit out of there that's in the way. And put it back together.
Easy peasy.
Pump it up, make sure it works.
Yeah. So see how easy that was? Change your brakes before it looks like this on your rotor. Alright guys, that was a nice quick video. I'm sure most people know how to do that, but if you don't, super simple. If you're feeling adventurous, give it a try yourself. Alright, thanks again for stopping by MacCustoms. We will see you in the next video.